Hello everybody, today I can evaluate summations by substituting the bottom number in for the variable and continuing until I get to the top number. So this is a fun little quick lesson. You may see this in the future in some college courses, and it's pretty simple concept. You must be saying, what in the world is this? So this thing is a Greek letter. It's called sigma, and it's the symbol for summation. So here is how this works. I start by substituting the bottom number in for the variable. So it says that k equals 0, so I am going to replace the k with 0. I'm going to continue to substitute numbers. After 0 would come 1. And I'm going to keep on going until I get to the top number. Next, I replace the k with 2. Now, because I made it to the top number, I stop. I evaluate each of them. I can use the calculator if I need to. Let's just do that in case you're not able to do it mentally. 3 times 2 to the power of 0. 3 times 2 to the power of 1. 3 times 2 to the power of 2. 3, 6, 12. Now, because it's called a summation, what the procedure is to add all those terms together. So 3 plus 6 plus 12, use a calculator if you need to. It's 21. That's your answer. Number 2, I start by substituting the number on the bottom in for the variable. So I'm going to do 2 minus 1 squared. Then I keep on substituting in until I get to the top number. So after 1, I'm going to replace k with 2, and then 3. And again, I keep on going until I get to this top number, which I am now at. You can use a calculator if you need to evaluate each of these. I am not going to use a calculator. 2 minus 1 is 1, squared is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0, squared is 0. 2 minus 3 is negative 1, squared is 1. And now I'm adding these together. 2 is my answer. So again, what am I doing? I am substituting the bottom number in for the variable, and then I keep on counting up until I get to the top number. I evaluate each term, and then I add them together. All right, number 3. I start by replacing n with 2. And then I keep on substituting up until I get to the top term. So I want you to write the rest of the terms out on your own right now. Okay, after I substitute 2 for n, I substitute 3 for n, then 4 for n, then 5 for n. I keep on going until I get to 6. 2 over 2 is 1. 3 over 2 is 1.5. Use the calculator if you need to. 4 over 2 is 2. 5 over 2 is 2.5. 6 over 2 is 3. Now, I add them all together. Use the calculator if you need to. That's it. There's really not much more to it. Once you get it, you get it. I'm hoping at this point you get it. Why don't you try number 4? Let's just do number 4 partially together. Then you can try number 5 on your own, and then we'll call it a day. So I'm going to start by substituting 0 in for n. Since there's two n's, I'm just going to substitute in for each of them. So it's going to be 0 squared plus 2 to the 0 power. Next, I'm going to substitute 1 in, and I keep on going until I get to the top number. So you know what? Why don't you try and finish this one from here? So please pause, finish number 4, and then unpause. Okay. After substituting 0, I substitute 1 in for both of the n's. Then I substitute 2. And I stop once I get to the top number, which is 2. Use the calculator if you need to. 0 squared is 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. And again, you can use the calculator if you need to. 1 squared is 1. Plus 2 to the first is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 squared is 4. Plus 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. I add them together. My answer is 12. Why don't you try number 5 on your own from start to finish? So please pause, try number 5 on your own, and then unpause. All right, now that you've completed on your own, I start by substituting 1 in for n, and then I do 2 up until I get to the top number, which is 3. Use the calculator if you need to. 1 to the 4th is 1, minus 1 is 0. 2 to the 4th is 16, minus 2 is 14. 3 to the 4th is 81, minus 3 is 78. Now I add the terms together, and I get 92. So, to evaluate summations, I start by substituting the bottom number in for the variable, and I keep on substituting in until I get to the top number. Once I evaluate each of those terms, I'm adding them all together. That is how we evaluate summations. Your classwork/homework is to finish this. It should be a very quick, short lesson, and I hope everyone has a great day.